No name. No name. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bling a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. Some people, right about now, my viewers and subscribers, me I go telling you know, say some man. I never say some man. You know, say some, never youth. You know, say some fool, a real fool. No, you know, say some idiot, a real idiot. No, I just some have a pray to people. Or some wicked people is just wicked people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. Eh? Why some people get chances in their life to better themselves, make moves, and really turn around and just mess it up, mess up the whole of them life, them future, everything, so. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So now, my people, I'm talking about an incident with them that took place over in the United States of America involving a Jamaican national, no people, who is 20 years old. 20 years old, you know. And them say, him now, my people, manage to take him peace, you understand, him strap, and comes a boom, and slap with another male who is 22 years old, my people. Then comes a boom now after people, maybe a day or a couple days after, manage to want to take a flight from a different part in a different state to go to Jamaica, my people. When customs and immigration, everybody will upon him. Now, them have him over the lock up for murder. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So basically, them say the crime happened close to a airport, you know, my people. Zine, close to a airport in the eyes of everybody. People see, people know, see it, my people. Manage to fly that way, manage to do that. Camera see everything. And go to a different state now. And one take plane to go a yard. Them hold on it. Serve it right. Such a waste of life, such a waste of time. What Jaja sees, Jaja knows attacking boss. So let me just read this thing I know, my people, because only Jah sees and he knows. Metro Police report the arrest of Jamaican accused of murdering a young man in Donaldson Pike. He was arrested at an airport. Nashville 10 wanted murder suspect Brandon Sweeby, 20, was arrested this morning at Fort Lauderdale, Florida airport. Was trying to fly home in Jamaica. So that yesterday, my people, on a Sunday, you understand, April the 10th, 2022, he was arrested. A Nashville arrest warrant was issued accusing Sweeby of criminal murder in Tuesday's murder of 22-year-old Christopher Brandon Maccabee at Donaldson Pike near the BNA entrance. Sweeby will remain in Broward County Jail, Florida, awaiting his return to Nashville. The investigation led by Detective Myra Els shows that Maccabee of Gallatin made an arrangement via Facebook Marketplace on Monday to replace his BMW sedan for Sweeby's Dodge Charger. Tuesday night, the BMW broke down on Donaldson Pike. Maccabee drove up to Donaldson Pike in a relative's van. A quarrel broke out with Sweeby and Maccabee reportedly shot dead inside the truck. Sweeby traveled to Atlanta sometime after the homicide. He flew this morning from Atlanta to Fort Lauderdale, where he was stopped by U.S. Customs and Border Protection agents, U.S. with the help of federal partners. People, so really and truly, a U.S. him there now. U.S. him carry out this act. You understand? Yeah, vehicle exchange, whatever gone wrong with people. I have managed to know. I saw this a youth a fool. I'm going to do this to himself, to him life, him future, everything. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. So, there is something in my people. You understand? Because you know me go to work, my people. Me I go do some checks. Me I go on media page. Me I go do everything. Because I want to know the fullest about this youth, yeah. Zine? So, I want the people. Them say the incident happened Tuesday. So, I want to count from Tuesday to Sunday. How much days this? Because there's something where I go share to my people. See? Alright, so count. So Tuesday, basically, count that day there. That'll be 1. And the Wednesday 2, Thursday 3, Friday 4. Or if you want to put it, you understand the other days, them a paper. So today now while doing this vlog is Monday, right? And via his social media page of people, he made a post via today say 4 days ago. Look at it now. So basically the incident happened not 4 days ago. The incident happened about 6 days ago. Because tomorrow Tuesday would have make 1 week it happen. So 6 days ago the incident occurred, my people, where in comes a boom and basically alleged him slap with the other youth. See? So this post now, you know what I mean? Say 4 days ago. So basically he made this post on his social media page. And see, my people, this evil thing, this is what he posted last on his page. And so it say, I don't care what anyone says. Good people get tired of being good to ungrateful people. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. So after doing something like this to another person, my people, Zane, basically it is alleged, yeah, to another person, jump on Facebook and this is what him a go post. No, what this do? This really predicts, you know what I mean? Him confess to everything. No, this is the confession. They do a vehicle exchange. Basically, they are linky. You know what I mean? Now I go say close brothers like friendship with a brother thing there. Them know each other basically. And they manage to do the exchange, whatever them do business, whatever. Something went wrong, whatever went wrong, and that's the answer. Because somebody may be ungrateful. Because we good we do for the other person, you understand? But in the end, maybe ungrateful lead to where I say, you know, that should what man, feel anger lead the way there. Because there's some people, you know, who deal with for them things different in a certain way and certain manner. You know what I mean? Maybe you will take it in a way and you will say, you know what? And run them way and jump in this and go and maybe link up somebody and then come pick you up or whatever happened. You know, they decide to take it to the law. But some people don't plan for them things different. Nobody can talk to them because they are so caught up with Satan. And that's the answer for them. Bye. You know what I mean? Take out somebody 3 points. Feel like you have it all planned out and decide, say, you know what? At Jamaica, my thing there, my country, that I don't seal up a thing already, I hold up a food, I send home already. I don't have my car when I buy down there, maybe 2, maybe 3, you never know. I don't have a nice house down there, I don't start my one. Money in the bank, I can go home, I can go relax. I don't know for the hell already, you know what I mean? Link up, get a ticket, don't link away for link. Everything plan, it's just to reach our Fort Lauderdale. You know, I go praise them, I go check on you if you say, what happened over there, so? See? But you wait for how much days to make that move there. Like you wait, say, 5 days after to make the move. Should make the move faster, man. Should make the move quicker. You could have get the flight or something like that. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Well, dog, nyam your supper. See it there? Dog, nyam your supper. This is not Jamaica. This is the United States of America, USA. Remember that point blank. So, things we can do at Jamaica and get away with, things we can do at Jamaica and get lighter sentence with, remember this is America. This is USA. And when them do for them investigation and when them done peel around for your head and plot around for your brain, you confess to everything without you even realize. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. See? Such a waste of life. Such a destroyment of life. Well, people, as we say, it is alleged, you understand? But based on proof and evidence and what them have on forensic, my people, boy, everything plays upon him. Such a waste of life. Imagine how the parents feel of him now. Imagine the person, them or whoever bring him over in the States, my people. Because he wasn't born in the United States. He's a Jamaican national. Grew up in a Jamaica too. No matter how much years him over them, my people. See? Yeah, go school a yard, see him here to one thing. You know what I mean? Parents may have a local food and thing and can bring him back and forth. Maybe having visa a long time. But him grew up a yard to see him here. See? But such a waste of life. 20 years old and living a life. That's not the answer. See? That's not the answer. You know what I mean? Remember as me telling you, this is USA, not Jamaica. But so it turn out to be, my people. Sadly, somebody lose them life in the whole thing, my people. But see there. Basically 2 life lose. All because of one saying that satanic one. You know what I mean? The people, crazy world we are in today. And only Jah sees and he knows. So you don't know the thing, man. The attacking boss, the NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, giving thanks to life as usual on a daily basis for people. And just more love, more blessings, and more respect. And thanks to the love, the like, the share, the comment, and thanks to everything, my people. Remember to please follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production official attacking boss. One scheme, one dream, one team. Peace out, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Attack for him, a straight attack for him. Him let down we as Jamaican again. Attack!